Okay, hello. So in today's episode, I will be journaling a $237 profit trade. This trade was taken on the 7th of April. So I'm going to just show you back again. This is my performance so far in the month of April. Um, had a bunch of string of losses. Um, the big one down to the 6150, and I'm currently sitting on a minus 20,000 loss. It's massive, the biggest I've ever experienced in my life, and I'm going through a corrective journey right now to get back into my rhythm that I was. Now, my March was pretty good, made a good solid profit, and I've kind of taken a beating. February was okay, Jan was good, but one big mistake, one small mistake that kind of compounded into a massive mistake, and I'm paying the price right now. So it's my journey upwards, and I'm not going to let that bog me down and continue my journaling. So this is my $237 profit. So if I go into my 5 minute time frame, I see that I the market is fairly flat. It was starting to decline, and I thought, okay, this is a sign that it may go down further. So I took it at a really good spot in the 5 minute time frame. If I look at the 1 hour time frame, which is the second one, you'll notice that the 1 hour time frame was close to the 200-day moving average. Now, as a rule, it could bounce back here, so I don't know why I actually took it so close to it, which is not a good practice. Now, the third one is the 4 hour time frame. Since it's such a small profit, I didn't really capture the higher time frames, but you can see it's really close to the 50-day moving average. So again, not a really good trade to take at the right time. And I was just trying to generate profits or generate trades when there was nothing available. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start recording what was the type of trade that I attempted to take. I like looking at the 1 hour time frame because the this could be a pullback here, but in the 1 hour, it seems to be not a pullback. It seems to be more like a breakout down trade. So I'm going to call it setup was breakout down. And the direction that I took this trade was short. So my direction was short. And this helps me to kind of summarize and analyze like what was the entire setup like, what was my trade consensus um, when I when I look at all my compiled trading journal at the end. Now, did I take it at the previous day low? Was it just spontaneous? I took it about 12. It wasn't really at the previous day low. It was not an opening day breakout. Um, Now this is the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, I would say, yeah, I would say it was the higher day or low of day, close to the higher day or low of the day was where I took it. In the 5 minute, was it an impulse or a retest? It was a retest because it actually didn't. I didn't take it down here. I waited for the retest and then I took it. That's the reason. The only reason why I was still in a profit on this trade. Wasn't close to the VWAP. Moving averages. Um, what were the moving averages on this trade? The 5 minute EMAs were the extended. The 5 EMAs were close to the 20 EMA altogether. now I'm gonna look at the. So what did it do? What did I do here? I did the 5 minute. The breakout EMAs were compressed. So I wanted to understand that when I took it, did I take it when it was actually extended or was it actually compressed? So because it was compressed, I wanted to make sure I record that as well. Now, why am I taking some time? Is I'm actually trying to recollect. I also have some notes on the different setups that I like to like tag and log. So that's something that I'm looking at in the background or thinking of as well. So now that I've done that, I want to check the EMA crossovers. Like, so did I take it pre-crossover or did I take it post-crossover? So I just took it. It was 1 hour bear fresh